The average guy loses around 100 hairs every single day, and most of the time you don't even notice it. If you don't fix this now, a few years from today, your hair could be weaker, thinner, and you might even start seeing bald spots. Today, I'm going to show you 7 daily habits that are secretly destroying your hair and how to fix each one fast so you can keep it thick, strong, and healthy. Stick around, because habit number 7 is the one that can completely undo everything else if you ignore it. And I'm going to give you the solution for every single habit, so you don't have to guess what works. Here's the deal. Most guys are doing these things without even realizing it. From how you sleep, the oils you use, how you dry your hair, the shampoos you pick, your nutrition, even small daily routines. Each one quietly damages your hair. I'm going to break down all 7 habits, show you exactly what's wrong, and give you the fix for each one. Trust me, if you stick with me till the end, your hair will thank you. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here, and let's get started. Habit 1. Sleeping wrong. Sleeping with wet hair or on a cotton pillowcase, huge mistake. Wet hair is weak, and friction from tossing and turning breaks it. Cotton steals your scalp's natural oils, leaving hair dry and frizzy. Fix: dry your hair at least 80% before bed and switch to a satin or silk pillowcase. Your hair will feel softer in just 1 week. But habit 2? It's something you do in the shower that's quietly damaging your hair every single time. Habit 2. Shampooing wrong. Most guys lather shampoo from roots to tips. That strips moisture from your ends, the oldest, most fragile part of your hair. Fix: apply shampoo only on your scalp. Massage gently, then rinse. The runoff cleans the rest. Ends stay healthy, hair grows stronger. Habit 3. Using oils incorrectly. Oil isn't a moisturizer, it's a seal. Putting oil on dry hair traps nothing. Fix: apply water or leave-in conditioner first, then seal with 4 to 5 drops of oil. Don't sleep with oil in your hair. Follicles will clog. Proper oiling can make your hair soft and prevent dryness. Habit 4. It's what you do every time you dry your hair, and most guys are doing it wrong. Habit 4. Drying hair wrong. Roughly rubbing your hair with a towel or blasting it with hot air, that breaks strands and weakens roots. Fix: pat your hair gently with a microfiber towel, and if using a blow dryer, stick to low or cool heat. Your hair will thank you. Habit 5. Skipping deep conditioning. Regular conditioner is just surface level. Hair needs deep hydration to absorb nutrients inside the strands. Fix: every 1 to 2 weeks, deep condition on damp, detangled hair. Add heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Your hair will feel softer, stronger, and break less. This one habit alone can transform weak hair into thick, resilient strands. Habit 6. Not protecting hair. Once your hair reaches 3 to 4 inches, exposure to wind, friction, and clothes damages ends. Fix: protective styles like loose braids, twists, or cornrows. Keep them moisturized, don't leave them too long, and give your hair a rest between styles. Protect the ends, protect your growth. And now, habit 7. The one that can completely undo everything else if you skip it. But before revealing it, tell me in a comment which habit you were most unaware of. Habit 7. Nutrition and lifestyle. Even the best routine fails if your body isn't getting the right nutrients. Hair is 90% protein, plus it needs healthy fats, vitamins A, C, E, zinc, and biotin. Fix: eat eggs, chicken, fish, nuts, seeds, spinach, carrots. Hydrate: 7 to 8 glasses of water a day. Sleep well, manage stress, and walk outside for 5 minutes daily. Your hair will grow thicker, stronger, and healthier naturally. Miss this one and all your other habits won't matter. Habit 7 is the foundation. If you want to level up even more, don't miss this video: 8 habits destroying your face and making you look ugly. Over 1 million people watched it and got real results. Don't miss out. Learn how to look more attractive, keep your hair shiny, and boost your confidence. Click here and start transforming your look today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks, champ. See you soon.